Alright, what's up people of YouTube? Today I'm going to be opening this corvair fuel pump. So to open it, I'm just opening it because I'm interested in what's inside, you know? This actually failed on me, so it was leaking gas through here into the engine. So I had to change my engine oil because of this also, but yeah, I'm going to open this 1/4 inch. I'm going to start loosening them, and I'll get right back to you guys because I kind of need 2 hands for this. Alright guys, so I took off all the bolts. I'm just kind of holding it because there's a spring inside. So I'm just going to let it go. And there you go. This is the inside. Top. It's a long spring. I have you guys tied up on a bucket right now, but there it is. This is a little bit of gas coming out. All this stuff in there. I wonder what that is, but and the sealant, I think this is oil sealant, but this is a gas, so I don't know why they put oil, the sealant for oil on this, but you know. This is the inside. It's all the inside. So yeah, this is an old pump. This failed on me already. It started leaking. I don't plan on reusing it, but I already bought the new one. But I just want to open it, you know, look inside. It's interesting how it works. There you go. This started kind of cracked up right here. Maybe it started leaking a little bit right there. Let me take out this gasket. It's kind of old. It's brittle. I feel it's brittle. It feels like it's going to break already. I think. Alright, well, yeah. Well, that's the end of the video, I think, guys. You know, just gonna be a quick video today. Nothing huge. Just opening the fuel pump, see what's inside. Also, you guys have a look. You know, if you know how it works, or if you, at least you get an idea how it works. You know, you guys might have a better idea of this, but yeah, that's it. You know, I just want to open it to see what's inside. Maybe you guys one day will open this. See what's inside. Clean it maybe. I don't know, but I'm gonna get throw this away anyways. I already got the new fuel pump, but I just want to open it, see what's inside. So that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and because I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.